So you can watch it when you're hungry.
Say hey.
Hey, mukbang.
Mukbang. We're about to eat Little Caesars. She got wings, and then we got a whole pepperoni pizza.
Just for us.
Just for us. About to eat.
Let me get a
Like, why is Isaiah's message still not coming? Is he the real black dude? No. No.
I gotta pray out. It was not deep. Not as deep as your part. Your part's deep.
Number
You know, we were sleeping. I had a friend so bad. And
Jimmy, what would you do if, like, you was in the middle of having sex and you accidentally farted or something?
I was funny. That was on my car, yeah.
What happened? Did he say anything?
I was like, it's talking to you. I didn't know what else to do.
You said what?
I was like, it's talking to you. He was like, he laughed. I was so rich. I didn't know what else to say.
He laughed at me, y'all.
He laughed, like, laughed it off. You know, we finished. And then I had to take me home.
I really hope my biggest fear is throwing up all over your head. I've had that happen to me. I feel up on dick before. It was just not Adam, so I didn't care. Yes, Adam. No one cares about that.
So you got booty dick and vomit dick.
What? Oh! Deadly combo. Right.
Then he test positive for what?
Huh?
Then he test positive.
He lied about that. He tried to say I gave him a motherfucking urinary
That was probably
tract
him on that phone call. That prank call.
Oh God.
And say you tested positive for community.
They had
Like,
me
get the
scared.
fuck
I
out
was
of
like,
here.
did not one of my hoes? Actually, I was only fucking the one light skin dude, but I was like my heart dropped. Cause you know I really
Well,
didn't
that's
know
why he
him that
blocked
well.
you.
Oh no. So, can you do me a favor? Can you call this number on your phone?
Mukbang will be continued
Oh, shit.
in
My
a
bad.
second. It's okay.